Hey, welcome back to the channel. I'm John, and you're watching Road Reality. Today, I've got another Harley tech tip for you, but this one's brought to you in a vlog style format. So if you like that, leave me a comment below. And if you don't like it, well, you didn't pay anything to watch this video. So maybe you'll learn something anyway. Anyhow, if you do like this video, remember to leave it a big old like. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And without any further ado, let's get into it.
And today, it's cold. All right, here we go. Let's throw a card up here. It is 32.9 degrees, but I'm going to work. I got my soft lowers on. I'm gonna plug in my first gear heated gloves. I think we'll be all right. So, enjoy the ride. It already says it's 37. I tell you what, it feels a little colder than that. And I brought my balaclava, but I left it in my tour pack for now. If I really need it, I'll pull over. I don't think I'm really gonna need it. But we're expecting about 45 degrees today. So I figured, what the heck, I'm taking the bike to work. Ooh, downshift. So I was a little hesitant this morning. When I first got this bike, the first cold spell we had where it sat below freezing for a couple of days, and then it was going to be like 45 degrees. It was, I don't know, 36, 37. And I went out to the trailer to fire up the bike, and she wouldn't start. Whoop-a-ba, 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 click. I was like, what the hell is this? So it turns out that two things are happening. One, I'd never had a bike with all these electronics on it. My Vaquero, I'll show a picture here, had a regular radio, and that was it. No GPS, no security system. Well, it turns out that stuff drains the battery, and the battery on a bike just isn't big enough to last more than a week at below freezing. Who knew? I certainly didn't know, but I found out the hard way. But once I got it charged up, I found it still didn't want to start. I was like, what the hell? Part two. So what I did was I called the dealer and they brought it in and they said, oh, well, you have the factory oil, look in your owner's manual. So I did, and the owner's manual actually says that below 50 degrees Fahrenheit, the Milwaukee 8 touring bikes may have a little trouble starting up. So the solution was to put the Sin 3 Screaming Eagle yada yada oil in it, and this morning she fired right up, no problemo. Super happy about that. Pumped up the tires, and now I'm freezing my ass off. But it's going to be a beautiful day here in the DMV, and I'm loving it. I get to be out on two wheels. But now I'm going to get on the highway, so I'll catch up with you later. Hey, hello. Are you listening? Does that look cool or what? How's that sun behind me, huh? Well, we're off the highway, folks. I'm getting close to work, and I'm gonna leave this one here. And until I see you again, keep the shiny side up. Thanks for watching. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me, and give this video a like. Take care.